Hey guys, Zach here. So, okay, I've got my seats, as you guys can see. Phoebe's gonna kill me when she finds out. I got the railings and stuff like that. The seat is really nice though. I know there's a lot of like replica seats that they sell for, you know, almost equivalent the same price. But SSKers has like the C-rim rating and everything for like road use and legal use. That way that I mean, you want to make sure that the seat has some standard and quality, you know. And the one from replicas and stuff like that, I'm not so sure. There's no certificates and stuff like that. At least SSKers has a template that says like, oh, the seats are this, that, tested, everything and all. So yeah, you know, make sure safety is always number one though, guys. Anyways, I hope you guys can see me clearly, can hear me clearly. As you guys know, I just got the GoPro 9. I don't really have the mic adapter and stuff like that. There's not much accessories for it yet, so hopefully when there's accessories out, I'll definitely get them. And my exhaust as well, you guys can see. I got this for 130 ringgit. That's right, 130 ringgit. It's a 3-inch inlet and a 4.5-inch outlet. There's no brand or tag or whatever, but it doesn't matter. I mean, it's a Cefiro, guys. The car costs like 10k. Unless it's like a R34 GTR and stuff like that, then yes, definitely I'll put in like a full titanium or something, or make a full exhaust and all. But yeah, this one is just like, you know, it's a Cefiro. I'm not going to spend crazy money on it. I got a bunch of exhaust wrap as well here, as you can see. Basically, this one is from my previous car. I bought them from AliExpress. I bought like 20 packets. Yeah, 20 packets. I've been using that on 4 cars and I still have left. So yeah, I'm gonna use it, and yep, that's about it. Now I'm gonna head over to, I think I want to go to Euro's place first, drop off the seats, and then I'm gonna go and get some steerings and some gear knobs, normal stuff, guys, you know, not expensive original ones. For the steering, I'll make sure that it's good quality one, you know, because it's still dangerous, you know. I don't want some cheap China ones as well. So yep, let's go. Yo, hey guys, all right, see what I found. My old car. I'm pretty sure the owner is enjoying it, but apparently there's some issue with the ABS or something. I don't know what's wrong. Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with ABS, but it's normal though. Every car does wear and tear, and this is a 10-year-old car anyways. But Audi has like the best quality though. I mean, just imagine 10 years old car and the quality is just perfect though. I mean, compared to the BMW, which is 11 years old. Oops, sorry, 11 years old. This is my BM as well again. Yeah, I got like, that's my Cefiro, Mazda. I got like 4 cars here doing. Apparently they're charging the battery. Let's see the nitros. Alam, chill. Oh, tak ada battery kan. Quality is not too bad, but it's because I done a lot of it onto this car. As you guys know, I love clean interior. I mean, an interior that is dirty is not a car though. So yeah, we're putting it back stock, as you guys know, because I'm selling it to my cousin. He plans to put in a 1J. He already have a 1J engine, so once, I think in 2-3 months time, he's going to put the 1JZ. New long shaft center bearing. New exhaust piping. Alright guys, this is the rim that I actually changed from the old one. I'll show you guys the picture later. I even use this Enfera RUG4 semi-slicks. Really nice though, it really grips though. It's quite impossible to do burnout nowadays. well, I don't want to clutch kick it. I don't want to spoil the clutch and everything. So 255 40 17. It's nice. Feels nice. Feels nice. It's made in Korea. Treadwear. Hold on, where's the treadwear? Hold on. You can see. Okay, the treadwear is 200, so you could use it for quite a while, you know. So all good. Alright, so long shaft is done. And then after this we're gonna do the exhaust. This part here is actually the spare tire compartment, which I'm gonna break it because it's already rusting into pieces, including, you see this part here, there's a hole. So yeah, it's all broken apart. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mount the battery here. It's actually quite a perfect mount for the battery though. So I'm going to bring the battery to the rear and have it place it here. Make a bracket and weld it and make it permanent. So this is a seats. As you can see, Datin's car has already been my form of transporting my car parts. Quality really nice though. I mean, I really like the quality. It's not leather or anything, it's PU, but it feels really good. I had SS seat before and they were such a great quality though. I had the first one in 2007 2008 and it lasted for 6 years on that car. So quality wise, it never tore, it never deflated, it never crumpled, you know. And yeah, so love it. I wanted another design, but this is the only design they really had in stock. And it's like, oh bro, you know, this one is like the Lamborghini Huracan style. I was like, okay, fine, I'll just take it. And the size is a bit bigger, but there's a lot of padding on the sides here though. Yeah, so it helps, like, and it's not too high on the side here as well, which is just perfect as well. So my old car. Man, I spent like easily almost 80,000 on this car. Owner is really lucky then. This without any muffler. Because the blade has not shot like right there. So we can have the big everything. Okay, so it's going to move on the car and go to the exhaust shop so they can start doing it, welding everything. Then doing the pipe off. It sounds ridiculous loud. It's really hot, like really hot. But I always wear my mask and keep safe, you know. I mean, I understand for the mechanics and everything, they don't really wear them all the time, but whoever when they're close and they kind of stand distance as well. I mean, such weather like that, guys, wearing masks and doing your work on the car. I totally understand though. But you guys should just really check out Euro Automotive. Like seriously, one of the best workshops I've been to. So what a gangster. I'm not gonna leave it like that. Apa bisa? Alright guys, going out here. It's now the Japanese pipe. So we're going to make sure to, I think there's a grounding cable that actually is broken though. So this guy's going to do the piping now, the muffler and all. So we're going to record and let him get it done. Alright, so downpipe, it's just a normal band, bro. We didn't really go with mandrel band and stuff like that. I mean, it's a $10,000 car, you know. If it was like GTR or what, then yeah, obviously I'll make like a really good exhaust like I did on my GTR. So it's really nice. It's really, really nice. Look at the engine condition though, the gearbox condition. It's leaking everywhere. Steering rack, boot is gone. Steering rack is leaking. Everything is so bloody tiny though. Kecil gila batang tu. Alright, so I'm replacing it with the RB25DET Neo. As you guys know, Neo has the same rods with the RB26, so it would definitely have much more power. And I think the previous owner, the joint that he did on this drive shaft here, this is the original Cefiro one, I think. Cefiro original bushing, and that one back one is the R32 or SR20 differential. I'm not so sure. Never really checked part number yet, but yeah, something is causing this to vibrate at high speed. So I have to one day get it out and make sure to send it, probably get it machined and fix it. So yep, exhaust, it's good, all good. Hey guys, so I finally got the RB25 Neo. Everything looks good, but just no flash fan though. But it's fine, I can use the... I realized the cast is different as well. Here's the mileage. See the original mileage at 222,000. I'll try to make it 222 and another 222. No. But I think this is to change before the timing belt. I'm not so sure, I don't read Japanese, but I think it's the date before you need to change the timing belt. So this engine might probably be still in the 100k region. Cars is different. That's the variable valve for the intake. Everything looks okay. And then I realized one thing about the RB25. The difference is that the fuel dampener is here and the fuel regulator is down here, which is a really big problem, because if you make an adapter here, yeah, the hose is going to come out and hit here, so you can't really use a fuel regulator adapter. Yeah, that is quite annoying though. And I realized that the fuel lines go back all the way, which doesn't make sense. I'm not so sure if this is the dampener or this is the dampener. What do you guys think? I think this is a fit line. I think this is a fit line. This is the dampener. Because I doubt they make the... Yeah, I think this is the regulator though. Mostly regulators are on the rail. Engine all looks good. Super clean inside though. Not sure if you guys can see, but I can see the cam loops is super clean. Everything looks good though. Turbo looks good. Comes with the side intake piping as well, everything. So basically flat plate, intake hose as well. Outer is super cute, super small. I realized there's a heat exchanger as well, I guess, for the oil. There's no bend pipes, nothing. The pipes all looks good. This is the water inlet, guys. If you guys don't know that the RB, alright, so this is the outlet, and what it does is, here's the inlet, and the inlet goes all the way to the head, directly to the head. Yep. So if you get like a, that is why when you have like a custom intake manifold aftermarket one, there'll be bolts or holes or threads, I guess, that you can use the hose to actually nipple hose, and goes directly into like an adapter, and that way you mount it to the radiator hose. Everything looks good, huh? Mount looks good, mounting bracket looks good. I'm not so sure what this is for. It's an auto, so there's no flywheel and stuff like that. Also looks good. I don't see any leaking at all. I don't think he even cleaned the engine yet, because if it's clean, definitely there's no like abrasion marks and stuff like that. So I don't think he ever cleaned this engine before. Looks good. I've not checked the turbo. Oh no, I gotta open the pipe and everything first. Alright, doesn't matter, I'll check that later. So basically, my plan is to open up everything, like the intake, the exhaust manifold and stuff like that. I'll be running a custom intake as well. So with the custom intake, I wouldn't really need to you know, reuse back a lot of the stuff, but I can reuse back I'll not be using back the throttle body as well, but I will be running the injectors back, because I want to make sure that everything is stock first. As you guys know, the key is to make sure that the engine is okay and running. Once the car is in, the engine is in the car and everything is running, then just take it out back, you know, and you know, rebuild it, because you want to make sure that there's no issue with the engine, that the engine runs, everything runs, the wiring runs, and that way you can start it all back again. So everything looks good. I just wish that he would have even the clutch fan. I'm not so sure if the clutch fan for the RB20 will fit. I'm pretty sure it might fit, because the part number for the clutch fan is almost identical. So I hope it fits. But I mean, you know, never hurt to have 2 units extra, right? So, yep, alright.